Hello everybody, this is Cougar with World of Me, and this is another episode from the Amazon review series, that being about products from Amazon. And I've got another product in, or actually a couple of them. It came in a 2-pack, and for those of you who have seen any of my other videos, you may have heard me talk about kind of my profession so much. Per se, things that I do or things that I enjoy doing, and this goes right along with that. This is actually some new parts for me for what I do. And if you are into computers and electronics and things like that, you may already know what this is. Right here, this is Imba Price. If I can actually say that right, I'm not sure if that's the exact way to say it, but IMBA Price. So anyhow, these are anti-static wrist straps. Now, what these are to basically equalize, what it's called is equalizing the electric potential between you and the things that you're working on. So if I'm in there working on a computer, I will go ahead and take this, and it has a metal plate here. I'll go ahead and strap that to my wrist here. We want that metal piece to be making contact. Now, just so you can see, that is a snap here on the back side, and obviously this cable comes off. So the wrist strap, you can have the wrist strap on, and then you can just plug this wire on instead of having to take the wrist strap on and off if you want. And of course, this is a metal connection piece here. Then you've got this coiled wire here, which obviously is much better than using an extremely long straight wire, because a straight wire, of course, can get knotted and tangled so much more easily. But this gives you room for movement. And then on the other hand here, you have this gator clip, which would connect to a unpainted surface on a computer or on maybe a table or something like that. So that what you do is now you eliminate the possibility of electrostatic discharge. Now, this did come as a 2-pack from Amazon, which I appreciate, so I will go ahead and keep one in one bag and one maybe in a little fold-over kit or something like that. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, these are the snap pieces. Sometimes you can get these pieces separately, maybe just the wrist strap or just this wire with the gator clip on it and everything. And you don't really need something real big and heavy, obviously. These are relatively slim wires. They just need to be enough to neutralize that simple static electricity that can build up. Now, you do want to watch how you use these. Certain things that have lots of capacitors, especially large capacitors like those in a CRT monitor, those being, of course, the glass tube type monitors, they do have very large capacitors, which a capacitor is, in a sense, it's very similar to a battery. It's basically an instant charge battery. You put a current to it, and as soon as you put the current to it, for the most part, it's pretty much charged. And then you can sit there and draw power from it for however long, depending on how much power you're using. The thing is, though, is those can be very powerful, and if you have this attached to a system that has those on it, and they discharge while you're attached to it, they can cause a lot of damage to your own body. So it would be very similar to accidentally, hitting a couple of bare wires from the wall or something like that, from a wall outlet or something. So you, of course, don't want to do that. So make sure that you do know what you're using these on, and make sure that it is the proper application, because you want to make sure to keep yourself safe. That's actually another reason for this, is not only just to keep the electronics safe, but to keep yourself safe as well. Go ahead and wind this up. If you like this and would like to see more products like this or whatever, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down there. I really appreciate it. It lets me know that you want to see more content like this, that you appreciate it. It helps me and the channel out a whole lot. There, of course, will be the link for this to the Amazon site down there in the description below, as well as there are the social media outlets here for World of Me: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Google+. You can check those out for any new videos that come out, as well as any other things that we may be working on here on World of Me. Well, I would like to wish you all a good day, and I will see you later. Bye.